Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn our next lesson, that is the magic cave. Children, before going into the lesson, let us know a simple and important thing. Children, look here. Here in the first case, the boy is asking other boy for the toy. Give me that toy. If someone asks you like that, will you give your toy to them? Give me that toy. If I ask like that, will you give? No. Look here, in the next case, please give me that toy. The boy is requesting for the toy. Please give me that toy. Will you give? Yes, if anyone asks us politely, we can give. Like that, if you need anything from anyone, you have to be polite and you have to ask as please give me. Okay? Use the word please when you asking someone for something. Okay, children? Let us go into our lesson. Children, see here. Raj and Simi live in a pretty little cottage in the hills. One day they are walking over the hills. Who are they? Raj and Simi. They live in a pretty little cottage in the hills. One day they are walking over the hills. And suddenly they saw a door. Look at the big door in the mountain. Raj said, look at the big door in the mountain. Then Simi is saying, there is something written on the door. There is something written on the door. A magic cave is behind this door. What is there behind the door, children? A magic cave is there. But there is no key. There is no key to open that door. You have to say some magic words. The door is saying that a magic cave is behind this door, but there is no key. You have to say some magic words and then you shall see. What shall you see? You shall see the magic cave which is behind the door. Raj and Simi try to guess the magic words. What is there in the sign? If you say some magic words, the door will open, right? Then Raj and Simi are trying some magic words. Tantara. Simi said Tantara, but the door doesn't open. Abracadabra. Raj said abracadabra. Then also the door did not open. Open sesame. The Raj said open sesame. Then also the door wasn't open. Raj and Simi do not know any more magic words. They do not know any other magic words. Then Raj is saying that, please dear cave, please open the door for us. And Simi is saying that, please show us your magic. They are requesting the cave to open the door and to show them the magic. Suddenly, the big door opens. Oh, look, the door is open. Let us go in. The children were very happy because the door has opened. Raj, read this board. Simi is asking Raj to read that board. Carry on with your magic. The board is saying that carry on with your magic. Then Raj is saying, Simi, do you know any more magic words? Raj is asking Simi that, do you know any more magic words? Then Simi replied, first we must say thank you to the cave. It opened the door for us. Children, if someone did something for us, what shall we do? We must thank them. Simi is saying that only. First we must say thank you to the cave. It opened the door for us. What did the cave do? The cave opened the door for the children. Then Raj is saying, thank you, dear cave. We also must say thank you to someone who help us in any way. Okay, children? After entering into the cave, suddenly the cave lights up. The lights are lighted suddenly and the cave is full of light. Simi is saying, let us walk on this path. There is a path and Simi wanted to walk on that path. Suddenly there are so many toys. Raj is saying that, wow, there are so many toys here and so many chocolates too. The children were very surprised and Raj is saying that there are so many toys here and Simi is saying and so many chocolates too. So many toys and so many chocolates are there. Children, what will you do if you see so many toys and so many chocolates at a place? We can share with anyone, like with our friends, with our brother or sister, like that, right? Simi and Raj also did the same. See here, children, Raj is saying that let us bring all our friends here. We will share these toys and chocolates. And Simi accepted. Yes, let us go. They went to their friends and brought them to the cave. And again they are asking, please let us in, dear cave. And the cave opened that door. Thank you, dear cave. All the children entered into the cave. All the children eat, play, and have fun together. They have the best party ever. Children, what will you do if you have so many toys and chocolates? You will enjoy a lot, right? These children also did the same. Now, Raj is saying that we have learnt two magic words, please and thank you. Children, what did the children learn? Those two magic words are please and thank you. And Simi is saying they help us to be nice to people. Those two magic words help them to be nice to people. So children, you also use these two magic words, please and thank you. Then you also can be nice to people. Children, do you want to listen the story again? Yes. First tell me, what we are going to learn in this lesson? We already learned. We have learned about the two magic words, please and thank you, right? If you want to ask anything from anyone, you need to use the word, yes, please. We must ask, please give me, okay? And if someone did something for us, we shall say thank you, okay? Okay, now let us go into our lesson. Raj and Simi live in a pretty little cottage in the hills. One day they are walking over the hills. What did they see on the mountain? A big door. They have seen a big door in the mountain. There is something written on the door. On the door, there is something written. What is that? Do you know, children, what is that? The sign is saying that a magic cave is behind this door, but there is no key. We have to open the door without a key. We can use some magic words. You have to say some magic words and then you shall see. Then the children tried some magic words. Tantara, abracadabra, open sesame. But nothing happened. The door doesn't open. Then the children doesn't know any more magic words and they have requested the cave. Please, dear cave, open the door for us, please. And the cave opened the door for the children because they have used the word please. It is a magic word to ask anything. Okay? Then the door opened. When they enter into the cave, there is something on a board that is carry on with your magic. And they are thinking that how to use some more magic words. And suddenly Simi said, we have to thank the cave because the cave opened the door for us. Okay, children? Then they thanked the cave. This is another magic word. If someone did something for us, we have to say thank you. If you ask for something, we have to use please. When they thanked the cave, all the lights are lighted and they went inside the cave. They saw so many toys and chocolates. Do the children took the toys and ate all the chocolates alone? No. They wanted to share everything with their friends. They have called all the friends of them and share the toys and chocolates with them. And they are saying that they have learned 2 magic words. Children, tell me, what are those magic words? Yes, please and thank you. If you use these 2 words, those words help you to be nice to people. Okay, children? Use please when you ask for something and say thank you when someone give you something or someone did any help to you. Okay, children? Have a nice day.